What did I say earlier? I like me a sale, I like me a coupon, I like to save me some coin. So when it comes to this, like, it's just like, why not? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I will be posting consistently for the next 3 months. So go ahead and subscribe. I think the subscribe button is here or here. Go ahead, subscribe, stick around. Today I have the FabFitFun Fall box. Listen, I have had this for a long periodically time, okay? I am way past due showing y'all what is inside this box. I have had this box so long that I completely forgot what is inside. So we are going to open her together and see exactly what she is giving. This is her in all of her glory, and the past FabFitFun boxes that I've received have been pretty good. If you haven't heard of FabFitFun before, it's a customizable seasonal subscription box where you get full-size beauty, fitness, fashion, and home items sent straight to your door every single season. Low key, who needs Sephora? Like, for real, who needs Sephora when I could get everything on a discount every season from here? So, ooh, this box is pretty. Look at this. So the thing with this box is one of the items in the box is worth the price of the entire box itself. And I don't know about you, but me, I love me a coupon, I love me a sale, and I love to save me a little coin, okay? So the fact that at least one of the items in here is how much I pay for the box itself, low-key means that everything else in the box is technically free. This box is valued at up to $350, and I think most of their boxes are valued at up to $350. If you're interested in this box at all, the seasonal box is $69.99, and if you use my code DIAMONDGIFT, you will get a free gift in your membership box. Or they do have an annual box, which the annual box, low-key, since I've been getting these boxes, this is a box that is great if you're someone that consistently gives gifts throughout the year. The annual box is around $2 something, I think $2.19, and if you use my code DIAMOND, you'll get 20% off of your box. I got you. So let's just get right into it. These lights got me sweating. Okay, so this first thing that I see here are these Kate Spade. Something Kate Spade. I know. Ooh. So I seen these and I just had to have them. They're so cute, and I am an aviator girly. I love me some aviator sunglasses, so I had to get these. And I don't know, like, I live in Florida, so sunglasses in the fall are just a vibe. I'm not gonna put them all the way on so I don't mess my makeup, but let me see. I forget how much these cost. So my box has already been paid for tenfold, double, triple, about triple. So let's get into all the other things I got for free. So here we have home court room deodorant, like low-key. I don't know why I got this, maybe because everything else in my selection, like, I didn't like what the selection was, but let's spray her. Ooh, this is good. This smells like a luxury department store. Like, this smells like a luxury restaurant, house, hotel. I like her. This is $45, okay? $45 for that spray. So I also, I remember getting these. So I needed some smaller, like, Velcro rollers for my hair, so I got these. These are by Slick Hair. These are by Slick Hair Company. And let's see, Slick Hair Company. I'm normally like better prepared for this, but like I made this video on a whim. Like I seen this box in the corner and I was like, damn, I need to make this video. I need to make this video. So, oh my god, that room spray, oh my goodness, that room spray smells so good. I'm gonna be spraying that every day. This is gonna be gone. That room spray is going to be gone. It's going to be gone. Here it goes. So these rollers were $30. So okay. All right, what else did I get? This is heavy. Oh, I remember this. So I also got a candle because during these winter and fall months, I love me a good candle. And then I saw this, I saw her, and I was like, yes, let's see how she smells. And this is giving me fall. It is giving me cookie. It is giving me vanilla. And what is it? So this is the Spiced Woods Vanilla Saffron Candle. Look how pretty and minimal this is. Like low-key, I'm obsessed. And the smell of this is even better. I can't describe the smell, but it's very clean. It's very pretty. The vanilla comes through very slightly, and I kind of smell a little bit of mint, but not really. Maybe that's not mint, I'm not sure. I'll put the notes here, but this candle is bomb, and it's by Dive Company Co. So this candle retails, let's see how much this candle retails for. This candle is $48, okay? $48 for this candle. The box is $69.99. The box is $69.99. Okay. I only got 2 more things in. So I got a recipe journal. So this is Eat Well recipe journals. And I make a lot of different things, and sometimes I'll just write the recipe on my phone in my notes. And I love the fact that I could put my recipes down in a book and have them to go back to whenever I make something like on a whim, and I ended up really liking the meal. So I thought this would be something great, especially during these next 3 months. I am on a weight loss journey, okay? And you're gonna see more videos from me. You're gonna see more what I eat in the days, more health videos, more like challenges and things from me. So this is something I really wanted to write down, my favorite like high protein recipes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And as I'm going through and just having like a bunch of different healthy meals, I could always retreat back to this book and have them. So I'm happy I got this. Dami, you chose good. And the last thing I have here is, oh wait, I don't know how much this costs, but I'll put the price. I'll put the price on the screen somewhere. So the last thing I have here is this Summer Citizens thing. I think maybe it's a blanket. We go see if it's a blanket. I think maybe it has to be a blanket. It's fall. And it's a fall color, which I love. Oh my goodness. This is so soft. Oh my god. So is it a blanket? It has to be a blanket. Look how big it is. It's like, this is the perfect throw blanket. Like when I'm on the couch reading my books. Yeah. So this is Sunday Citizen, and this blanket, y'all, look at this blanket. It is so soft. The material, this is the perfect thing to cuddle up with during fall season. Like, I'm so happy, and I love this color. Look how vibrant the color is. Oh, I'm using this tonight. So this Summer Citizens, let's get into the price. What is it? Summer Citizens, Sunday Citizens? Literally, I'm on the website. I went to go look it up. It says softest blanket in the world. The world's softest blanket. Meet the world's softest blanket engineered with unique fabric blends. Like this right here, it feels so good. The cheapest blanket I see on here is $98. So I'm going to say this blanket was $98. I'm not sure, but if I am incorrect, I'll put the price here and we go total it up. We go total it up, and I don't want to be wrong by saying the price of the total box out loud. So I'm going to list it right here for you to see, and we go see, did this box come out to be about 350 or over 350? Based on the prices that I done looked up already, I think this box was over $350, which is low-key, not even low-key, high-key a steal. High-key a steal for all of these full-size items that you get for $66.95. I think that was the price. What was that price? $69.99. $69.99 for a seasonal box, y'all. These boxes I have received, how many boxes have I reviewed for you guys? Maybe, I think this is the third or fourth one, but every time I get a box, these are the perfect items for gift giving. Like, you get full-size items that you don't have to pay full price for at the store. What did I say earlier? I like me a sale. I like me a coupon. I like to save me some coin. So when it comes to this, like, it's just like, why not? Like, why not get a seasonal box if there's things in here that I kind of don't want for myself, even though you do choose what you want. But if it ends up being something that I don't want, let me gift it. Let me gift it for somebody's birthday. Let me gift it for Christmas. Let me gift it for a graduation present. Let me gift it because, did I say birthday? Just because. How about that? Let me gift it just because. I liked this box. I've had better boxes this year. This year had better boxes. I'm not completely underwhelmed. This box not bad. It's not bad. I love my blanket, my glasses, my candle, my room spray, my recipe book, my curlers that I'm about to use. They're kind of small. Kinda. We go see. We gonna make her work. We gonna make her work. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. I have been gone for a long periodic time, but I'm back. I promise. I'm not gonna promise. I don't like promises. I will be posting more consistently. You'll see my face. You're gonna see my face more consistently. Okay, so if you're not subscribed and you watched till the end and you're still here, subscribe. I'll be back. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you soon. Bye.